Looking for a simple homemade mosquito trap? This DIY method only takes a few minutes to put together using items you may already have at home. First, grab an empty plastic bottle and carefully cut off the top section, right where the cylindrical part ends. Try to make the cut as even as possible because we're going to reuse the top part later as a funnel. Next, pour about 100 milliliters of water into the bottom half of the bottle. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then add 1 tablespoon of yeast. Mix everything well until combined. Now take the top part of the bottle and place it upside down into the bottom half, creating a funnel shape. If needed, secure the two pieces together with tape. For the next step, wrap the outside of the bottle with a dark cloth, cardboard, or dark construction paper. Many people believe darker surroundings may help make the trap more attractive to mosquitoes, especially in dimly lit areas. Once your trap is ready, place it near areas where mosquito activity is common, such as near windows, kitchens, patios, or humid corners. As the yeast reacts with the sugar, it produces carbon dioxide. Mosquitoes use carbon dioxide as one of the cues to locate people and animals, which is why this homemade trap has become a popular DIY experiment. For best results, keep the trap away from strong fans or windy locations, and replace the mixture every few days as the reaction slows down. While results can vary depending on the environment and mosquito species, this is an inexpensive DIY method that many people enjoy trying at home. Save this video so you can come back to it later.